On the Ickonic Connect the News show this week, the news stories of the week put in their true context, including a secondary school that has banned students from hugging, high-fiving, and shaking hands, and in any way touching each other. Now, of course, that is insane, it's ludicrous, and it's arrogant beyond belief. However, those that seek to impose their rules can only do so if the rest of us meekly obey them. What if those students just hugged and high-fived and shook hands more than ever before? What are they going to do about it? It's unenforceable. And we see where the real power lies. And that school is a metaphor for human society. The few can't control the many if the many won't have it. That's the Connect the News show on Ickonic from 10 a.m. every Saturday, UK time. And you can take a 7-day free trial on Ickonic whenever you want.